Crafted from the highest quality material ensuring durability and performance. Package dimensions: 19.05 x 572 lx 7w centimeters. Package weight: 136 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Service kit: Bakflip, complete buckle, strap kit, D-ring replacement kit, top and bottom side. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit with Mopar tonneau cover. I was stupid enough to go through car with tonneau cover up with strap intact. Strap was snapped from the strength of dryer. My cover was from Mopar and couldn't find the strap from Mopar. I took a shot with this strap replacement and can't be happier. It's a perfect fit.